Oh, oh. New era. New era. So we have dessert. We have cake. This is mango tapioca.
Ay, yummy.
I like that.
And then we have watermelon.
I think it's sweet.
And then this is
Butter chicken.
butter
And then there's
chicken
here.
made by Kuya Oscar. That's the author of the butter chicken. And then puto.
Nandito yung puto sa ilalim.
You too.
So, alisin natin.
Fire. Day to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jaya. Yay! Birthday na ni Jaya.
Olympics gonna sing! Olympics gonna sing! Ready? Go! Olympics gonna sing!
Bati.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jaya.
Tagalog. Bati.
Sa iyong pagsilang, maligaya, maligaya, maligayang bati.
Korean.
Maganda yung camera mo.
Wait lang.
Ayan yun.
Ano? Fingers?
Onion ra ba na ha? Onion.
Kain ka lang.
Onion din.
Let's get.
Kain ka. Ito na kaya may ganang bag sa akin.
Hindi mo alam.
Sabi lang.
Kuya Oscar yan.
Okay ah.
Oo, doon sa loob para malimon. Doon sa loob.
Ako kuya.
Po kayo doon sa loob, oh.
Kuya, inlike solo dito para na kay table.
Ah, doon. Table.
Pusilena. Especially from Pusilena. Kami handaan.
Yum.
Hindi ako niyan. Alam mo naman ako, Jai.
Ay, kain na kayo.
Susunduin ko si Jing.
Susundin mo?
Oo.
Ako ay
Iced tea.
Sunduin mo? Kakauwi pa lang niya eh. Malapit pa lang sa bahay.
Para makakain mo rin.
Samahan kita?
Tita, yung mga yung nag-iiyakan nyo pag wala ako dito. Mga ito mga mata niyan, ha?
Hinahanap ka?
Mga pagto yan, tatlong yan.
Wala silang makakain eh. Sige. Kain ka lang yung friend.
Butter chicken, hindi yung pote.
Yan, natulog ka gabi.
Ano yan? Yung gano'n. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Say hi!
That's why. Hi, pa. Everybody.
Wow, may chili
Oil. What's this?
Oh, sumay! Sumay!
Magawa kasi.
Ano?
Ano yun?
Ano yung nakakalimutan natin? Nagawa talaga may pa-chili heart pa sa mga dito. Ay, ano na lang.
Okay na yan.
Yung dessert, ilagay na sa kabilang table.
One eternity later.
I don't mind fish.
Chicken. So I know that he likes the fish smaller.
This prevails. I don't want it to be, but
How many of that
9.
That's what it is. Nini wants some of the garlic, the green things. You love them. Yeah, the snow pea, the garlic.
Yeah, we'll get that. Nakuha mo na ba yung gusto
Isa lang?
Oo. Ito lang yung ito kasi apat na letter A. Tapos fish moss.
Ay, pwede. Ayusin mo nga to.
What?
Kasi yung video kilit. Kasi listen ko.
Favorite places in Calgary. It's you and me. Yeah, you like it.
I like it with pepper. I like it.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh, thank you.
We'll try it first. It might. Hey, that's not me.
Oh, your favorite, Olivia?
That's no Okay, thank you. Baby, yung kanin.
That's okay. Okay, put that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yung kanin, maglagay na tayo para mababasa na.
Okay, have me some of those.
Wow. Ito na yung babasa natin.
Wow.
More food. That's our lunch and dinner.
Yeah.
That's why we ordered a lot
Yeah,
today.
lots of food.
Dude, can you put that on your side? Over there.
Ngayon ka naman pa-picture.
Oh, yeah, spray that.
Salted egg yolk. Mainit.
Oh, you like those, eh? Oh, what? Let's see, try some milk.
Oo.
You want to try one of them?
Thank you.
Crispy.
I don't know. Try it.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Take out. Oh. Bus na. Kain na tayo. Bye.
Thank you, Kuya Jay.
Salamat. Thank you. So,
Baka dyan may mga tiger palm.
ulit. Charap.
Ng buwan na to.
Ang dami.
Saan si ate? Kala mo naman nagtitip ng marami. Feeling.
1 hour later.
Yan, sarili mo lang dapat. Hindi mo lang sila pwede mo. Kasi may gratuity na yun eh.
Hindi naman sila, hindi wala naman, pero hindi naman sila friendly to. Masarap lang talaga yung pagkain, tsaka affordable eh. Pero mas mahal pa yung tip nila.
Stop, look, and listen.
Go, go, go. That's sour. Saan? Akala ko mga 200 lang. Bakit na?
So, magkano tayo? 280.
280.
Maka 280 kami sa aming kinain.
Madami tayo.
Madami naman siya. Sulit naman. Meron kaming na-take home na pagkain.
Bye.
Sulit.
See you later.
See ya!
1 eternity later.
Outside. Quiet. Behave.
Oh.
Wow naman! Wow!
Wow. Listening oh. To tita oh.
1 hour later.
Selfie Falls. Ay, maglalakad naman kami. Ito na ang mga pa-berks.
Long time no see. Yeah.
Ito ang Elbow Falls. Ito ang vlogger.
Very popular. Doon muna sa mas mahirap.
Ba't ito sila ate?
Babe, yun. Hindi ka na fall. Hindi ka na fall. Pinalastik din ba yun? Yung lalakad ka doon. Lalakad ka sa parang gilid ng... Araw pala dito.
Hi, vlog. We're here in Elbow Drive.
Ang Elbow Drive.
Elbow
Elbow Falls. Elbow Drive. Pasada siya.
Drive.
Oh. Tambay daw.
Bawal yan eh.
Hindi nga.
Yeah.
Paano bawal?
Bawal magpunta dyan.
Sabi?
Oo.
Talaga.
Nailangog, guys.
Ano yan?
Langog.
Ano langob?
Cave.
Cave. Ah. Alam ko anong langob eh. Ano ba yun? Ano sa Tagalog? Kuweba. Kuweba. Yun o. Flat na siya.
Jacob!
Oh, what happened, Bella?
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right?
Amazing! Ano, okay na. Uwi na.
Talaga dito. Ha?
Si Mochi, kinakain niya bacon lang. To. Oh, sit. Kakainin niya to. Oh, bacon. Kain. Oh. Shh. Pag ito. Ito Timbits. Binigay ko sa kanya. Niluluwa. Alam niya. Alam niya yung lasa. Oh.
Kaya,
No, tara na, maglakad na tayo.
no.
Lakad na. Hindi pa tayo pagod maglakad.
Dami-daming minsan na.
Pupunta kayo?
One eternity later.
Excited, Mama? We're gonna go to Elbow Falls. You excited? No. Mama, I'm excited na. Relax, Mama.
Oh, baby.
Linis, oh.
Yeah.
Hi! Yun na ang ating
Mochi, go inside.
Dark roast yun sa akin.
Oo.
Okay.
Ayaw mo ba ng dark roast?
Gusto.
Okay.
Sarap yun. Mainit.
Alright.
Saka matapang.
Oh, kaya
Okay
ko
na.
paglaban.
Ikaw, Eunice, okay ka na?
Yeah.
Okay, biyahe na tayo.
Thanks for the coffee,
Thanks, Eunice.
Welcome.
Perfect.
Lakad lang.
Alright guys, dito na tayo sa Elbow Falls.
Huh?
I feel like I'm not ready for the mouth of I just
Tayo ay magpipiknik kasi Sunday ngayon and also long weekends dahil sa Monday or Tuesday it's Canada Day, kaya mostly sa mga tao ngayon is nagbakasyon dahil long weekend. So spot tsaka natin dadalhin yung gazebo tent tsaka yung table. But for now secured ko muna to kasi mahulog eh. Okay.
Ano na yan, oh?
Oh my god.
Lamig, man.
How'd you do that?
Is it cold? Oh, that's like it.
You have to stay there.
Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Oh, yun.
Hindi, yung mali.
Yung napo-fold pa siya, di ba?
Ah,
Yung lock.
meron yung square pa.
Pwede pa pataasan pala. Oo. Just yun.
Nadjas?
Oo. Sana dinala ko ng madyong. Oo.
Ah, nakapagtongits.
Alam na yan.
Alam na yan. Laki masyado.
Should we go over this table first? Yeah.
Hindi mo muna kasi lalagay mo na.
Eh, ano daw? Nasa...
Over the table and then.
Oh, naamay Gwen ma, naamay agad.
Yan.
Nakurot man. Naamay kasi ko. Yung table.
Hindi kuya yan.
No.
Kalahati.
Ah, sinday.
Magburana na yun.
Ah,
Habaan mo ni.
oo nga.
May dala kayong rest.
We all know you're gonna eat.
Bakit may pamunuto ko yan?
They want some watermelon?
Wow, kapilagay.
See, Anise, if you're gonna get a concert, you get these guys, not Nelly. See them? I thought they're not crying. You don't bark.
Nakapagpagpagpag ng
That's jump. You gotta do what Lance did. You gotta lay down.
Yeah, you don't have to. Like, you want to jump so it falls.
Oh,
Well, because you don't know how. And also the current is.
did you go there already, Lance, earlier?
Yeah, don't dive, Lance. It's going this deep.
How deep is it? No sleeper? Okay, na.
Sleeper.
Jump or walk?
You can't jump. Bato-bato yan.
Yeah, it's all rocks, baby.
No, not that ball.
Try, go!
Wala naman po tayo.
Go!
Luwes. Sila nagawa na nila.
Lance already did it. Eh.
Ready?
James!
Is it deep there?
Wow!
Oh! Deep
there?
Nakailan na sila, Seo.
Oh. Saka malakas yung current ng water niya.
Yeah, the current is strong. No, James!
Don't okay. Okay, I'm going. I'm going. I'm going.
Chicken!
I'm going.
Open chicken!
I'm going.
It's raining Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Nanginginig!
Ready? Go!
What did you bring out it? Huh?
Because I'm on the side. Wait.
Patayo ah. Nice!
There, yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Isiset na lang sa UD yung ano.
Oh, they're everywhere.
Yeah, bing bang.
Where you guys been here? I've never been.
I've never been out there.
Higi ang alam.
We don't know where it is. Go na una.
Just straight.
Okay guys, we're here in Kananaskis Provincial Park and look at the view.
Elbow Falls, right?
It's an Elbow Falls, okay? Head to Elbow Falls and then we're gonna show you, okay? And this time it's gonna be a spoken in dollars. It's because I'm speaking English. That is Ate Beth, our financial advisor.
Dinganik mo alam. Kala ko naman. Hindi ko alam kung saan ang harap at saan ang
Wala naman, naka-off man siya.
Oo ba?
Oo.
Sabi ni ano?
Wala nakuha. Wala. Sayang.
Si Jason. Ano?
Kuya, bakit daw off?
It's nice and clear.
Oo. Wala nakukuha?
Pula.
Pula?
Pula patay na.
Pula.
Ah,
Baka
so,
lobat.
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 Baka lobat.
Ah.
Hindi, may pula oh.
Anong nangyayari?
Nag-record.
Ang harap.
Paano
Ayun,
nakikita
harap.
nagre-record?
Walang harap.
Ano, nag-vlog ako tapos ginanon ko.
Tara, tara. Tara.
Hi! Hi vlog!
Vlog. Basta mo pala.
Pag madaming tao, wag kang ano, may mga tao magagalit. Ayaw.
Okay, sige. Tara.
Sabihin mo, babayaran mo sila.
Ilan? Taman? So hey guys, today we're going to the waterfalls. And the waterfall is
Wow!
nice.
Tapos sabihin mo, wow! Waterfall! Dala mo ba yung Jason?
Wow, waterfalls.
Sino yun?
It's wow. Here. Today, this is the history.
Wow! Falls!
What did you say?
Wow! Falls!
Show Kuya Lance. There. Slowly. There you go. Show Kuya Lance. Kuya Lance has the camera.
It's four more up there. There's four more. Look at this. So strong, guys.
Ako na ang kaasat dito. I think someone walking there in the video.
Kakaiba, ate. Kakaiba, ano? Wild lang siya. Really?
One eternity later.
Oh, it made it green.
Ooh, barbecue.
Chip. It's pretty hot.
Jonet.
Get it, drink, babe.
What do you want? Water?
Get her water.
Spicy? Ay, sorry.
Lance, pakuha nga.
Try that right there.
Di kasi kasha kanina eh.
Good.
May pa-walking pa.
Try that spicy.
Galing talaga ni Mami Maika. Ito, talaga naman.
There's another one, Korean chili.
Ay, ito nangyari. Nag-walk kami ng 5 minutes. Oh, pagdating, kain agad. Gutom na gutom.
Balik ulit kayo. Sabi ko kay Jai, bakit di mo talaga sinabi sa amin to? Di sana lagi na kami nagpupunta dito. Sabi ni Jai.
Watermelon. I put watermelon on the ants. You know how the ants are?
Sa mountains, sa van. May ano oh, may turon. Nasa isip sa kabiko.
Pagbalik. Okay na ka na? Ayaw yan. Matay lang. Ang masarap. Ay, ayaw ko. Ay, yun yun. Ayaw.
That's a great now, Neil. Oh, have a damn much.
I love you, baby. Kahit pasaway ka.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Ning-ning.
Nanginginig.
Naning-ning-ning.
Sir, wala lang. Wala na agency.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little.
Yeah, it's another day in the office. I've been warming up, so approach with caution. Yeah, up the heat, no cold feet, I'm locked in. Go against me, you might need a coffin. Where's the competition? Cause I don't see none. Matter of fact, there'll be none, so y'all can run the rerun. Show you how to work, I roll the sleeves up on my shirt. Built it from the ground, I had to rise from out the dirt.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little. Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little.
I know what I'm doing, I'm clean when I'm moving. And I've been on the wave, so you know that I'm fluid. When it comes to the team, I divide even. Eyes open, the mind dreaming, I'm still scheming. I see trophies in the future, maybe even sooner, so I'm moving like a rumor. Showing how to work, I roll the sleeves up on my shirt. Built it from the ground, I had to rise from out the dirt.
Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little. Watch this, I'ma show you how I do it. Like a pro, gotta hustle, get through it. No sweat, look good when I'm moving. I'ma rise, and it's a little.
Ano babalikas doon?
Kaya na pala agad.
Kaya na ata. Ate ikaw, gusto mo bigyan kita?
You know.
Lipat na hay.
Sa aming Elbow Falls, araw ng linggo. Kami ay mag-uwian na. Almost 5. Ano oras na sa'yo yun is? 5:20 na. Pero masaya pa rin kasi maaraw pa. Ipupuntahan pa kami mamaya. Ha? Happy Canada Day everyone!
Happy Canada Day!
Ngayong Sunday, Family Day, Canada Day.
Oh, baby. Amin na.
Ayun mo sa kabila.
One eternity later.
Good morning, happy Tuesday, and today is Canada Day and we're celebrating our Canada Day here in saan tayo?
Fish Creek Park.
Fish Creek Park. Ready lang ni Lindsay, Nikki.
Stay here.
Good morning.
How you wearing that?
Because my shirt is loose.
Mom, does that have my stuff in it?
Yeah, the cream filled is here.
There, we'll put that in the basket.
Yung box eh.
It's a battery, yeah. Just drive it, bike it.
I think I'll push her.
Huh?
When it's empty.
Oh, there's no pedal?
Oh, no.
Pedal?
No.
Oh, it's just a scooter? Is it fully charged?
Yeah.
How far does it go then?
Let's go this way. 20 miles.
$10 to get in, and we have sunburns.
No, we haven't.
Hold on.
Kuya Lake.
Huh?
Kuya Jason.
Huh? A lot of people are going. So we're just gonna go here for a walk. So spend time with family. Mochi and Len has her new e-bike or e-scooter. Hi. How's your scooter? E-scooter ba yan o bike?
Huh? E-scooter.
E-scooter. Today is Tuesday and it's Canada Day. And this is how we celebrate our Canada Day here. Most of you, I know, you're going for hiking, biking, camping, swimming. For us, we're gonna go here. So walking park. Yes. Bakit? Ba't umiiyak siya kanina?
Kasi,
Huh?
sabi ko, ayan ako!
Ay, hinabot mo?
Natakot!
Ah.
Alam niyo, pag baka bata, di ba kung Ray hahabulin.
Morning. So mainit ngayon, 22 ngayon, 22 degrees. Time is 10:56, so mag-11 pa lang, kaya medyo mainit-init pa rin. Still manageable.
Sebi, sebi, sebi. Sebi, sebi.
Ano siya yung sumakay doon sa e-bike ni, ay scooter ni nila, no? Ewan, hinahabol din. Mami?
Ah,
Ducky.
I thought it was a beaver.
Beaver?
Oh, there's a mallard.
Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Uhaw-haw lang siya.
Okay.
Nakalimutan lang kasi. Meron ka ba sanitizer?
Wala.
Lalagay ko eh.
Tama. Hindi mo maubos to. Sige pa.
Ayun, dali mo siya pa. Palingan-lingan. Ayaw na.
Wala na. Shh, come on.
Ay, nakita na yun. Oh. Sige na. Oh, ayaw na, baby.
Ako na. Meron doon yung park doon sa mga pinupuntahan ng mga sakyan. Yun yung mga nagbo-boating. So mapapark sila dyan. Pwede silang mag-boating doon sa kabila. Kasi meron doon ano, river. May lamig yung tubig nila dito sa river. Ilang bar pa yung battery mo?
6 a.m.?
Puno pa? At ang gagawin?
Pero si Mochi makapaglaro din sa tubig.
Let's see. Saan sila dadaan? Kabila? Okay. Come on, mama. Here.
Saan tubig ko?
Oo nga no, mataas. You drink water there, mama? You drink?
Ouch! Mochi! Pichi ka! Ako!
Okay. Dali mo dyan.
It hurts?
Elbow Falls?
Elbow Falls? Is it much colder?
Yeah. This is not.
Oh, this is good. This is good water. It's not that cold. I was expecting also cold the same as elbow.
So, no, this doesn't hurt. This is okay.
Yeah.
To you, but to me. Pichi!
Ka-plancha water, mama.
You, babe. This is fine. Kasi mag-scooter siya eh.
Oo.
Ayaw niya na pag-scooter kasi nadaw.
We'll jump in then.
It's cold, eh? It hurts.
Come on.
No, it doesn't hurt. Masakit, hindi ko kaya. Ha?
Good. You drink water, mama. Hindi malamig yung tubig, no?
Kaya.
Mas malamig yung sa Elbow Falls eh.
Like this 8 feet
Yeah.
under those docks. That'd be kind of cool, man.
Yeah. The pier in LA.
Santa Monica.
Yeah.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back.
Yeah.
I want to drive it.
They also have a nice wave.
Yeah. And she can't go that way.
That's wrong one. That's all muddy.
Oh, she has a little bench.
Yeah.
Sure.
Me after on a perfect egg. Perfect egg shape. Look at that. Tell me that's not a perfect egg.
Sabby. Sabby.
Mochi.
Oh wow.
No.
The plain one.
This one.
What is that one now?
Oh, the one with the
How is that cream filled?
stuffing.
Cream filled.
How is that
Wow.
cream filled?
Yeah.
Cream filled.
Now, we are with nature.
Nice.
I have a chair.
Good.
James was saying maybe we should go to Elbow Falls again.
When? Today?
Yeah, he wants.
So we can go to our lake if you want. It's chill by the water.
We'll use your car.
You just can't bring Mochi. That's
Yeah, I know.
It's too hot.
Yeah, I like to, but Mochi cannot go there. You guys can go there. It's okay. You can go to Sun. I'm just gonna go.
Something to do. I didn't pay for nothing.
No.
So we got 2 tickets. You might get 2 tickets.
Oh, yeah.
How's that cream fill, Nate? What's in it? I know.
Who?
But Ontario gets. Toronto is. But really, you're surrounded by buildings, and he's right downtown, heart of it.
Yeah.
University, but.
No, I'm talking about.
But now he's actually working. He's like, I might not do it. I'm like, he gets 800 a week. 800 a week. And he goes to every fair in Canada.
I would do it. If
800 a week. He's 617.
That's
Fuck, I didn't make no 800 a week when I was 17.
Yeah, that's a good money. Yeah.
Gig for
Right? And then he gets a bonus, and then
Mhm.
every fair he gets a bonus at the end of the
Yeah.
fair.
Yeah.
So he made 800. So 2 weeks there, and then a $300 bonus. So now he's in Calgary Stampede, so he'll probably get.
Maybe get more.
But
Maybe
still, 15, 16-hour days in this heat.
But the thing is also the hotel is also included, right?
Yeah, hotel,
Hotel is included.
travel. I know it's just Canada, but
Yeah.
young. You get to
Their name, that's what I want. Look at that scooter. That's what me and Jason are gonna get.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's the one we got. That one. See, I mean, you get that one.
You should. You guys should get that.
Those are 1,500.
No.
No,
You
they-
can get for
good.
700.
Nice.
Baby, tabi ka dyan. May ano, baka
What's that mean? That's a
that will fit, you think?
Oh, that's cool. Wow.
Hi!
That's a good one.
That's
That's like a
e-bike.
panel, and we'll all sit there.
That's e-bike.
I think it's fun.
Look how nice and round that is. Feel how light that is.
Yeah.
There's something inside. Seriously,
Yeah, that's
smash
why
it. Try a geode. Let me see
We're
it.
humans, and we're really meant to be with
Could be a geode. See how light that is?
So what?
Could be a geode. There's crystals inside. I want to break it in half.
Oh yeah, it's a heavy one.
No, it's light. Geode. Have a big rock and I'll smash it.
Inside.
in Japan.
I want to see those.
That's what they do. That's why there's lots of Zen gardens all over Japan. Because even the doctors
Lemon cheat, no? Don't eat.
in
Here.
Japan, they said
Magic.
I
go
did.
to nature,
Never
go to
mind.
Magic, no.
There was diamond inside. That was a geode.
So what's inside?
Nothing. More raw. I like those geodes.
Nothing.
Pari na yun.
Oh, no.
Sabi niya, gusto ko siya. Yung kaya sa pagkatao siya. Gets mo, hindi lang sa spiritual, kung paano maging mabuting tao. Kaya maganda to sa
Kaya yung ano,
yung
Canada Pass.
oh.
Kasi gusto nila na magpunta yung tao sa nature.
Di ba dati pa naman maraming part?
Pero gusto nga nila magpunta yung tao sa nature. Hinihikayat nila ngayon. We walk here. I'm gonna bring all the snackies,
Oh, you know what, baby?
water.
Mochi poop. She poop dark blue
Dark blue?
because of the blueberry. I said, "What happened to your poop, Momo?" And then I remember she ate blueberry.
I found those swinging chairs, but it was $44 at that urban.
Oh, really?
Yeah, only one, and the other one was $79. I was gonna buy it, so I don't want it. 44.
Is it the wagon? The
They have it at Costco. How much was it at Costco?
Oh, it's $79. This is
No.
44.
No, it's like 40 something.
Oh, well, never mind.
They even went on sale. Why didn't you guys buy it that
I don't
time?
like it because it's like making
You get dizzy. Yeah.
No, but I buy Johnson Creek and
Yeah.
this weekend. Oh,
Swinging
Yeah.
chair.
beer, non-alcoholic. That's too hot
Yeah.
for that.
Is it
anyways.
bulky?
I think. Well, then they have your chair, but they have the double one.
Excited.
What? No more, no more, man. You have like
drink
5
water
donuts. 5
Huh?
donuts.
You already had 5.
You have 5 already. Wow. So you have a lots of energy today.
This chair there. Wow. Let me push this down there.
It was there before? Really?
What? Yeah.
Or probably they were doing like a weightlifting. That's why they push it here.
I'm sure teenagers.
What is it?
This
Oh,
was
the
up
log was
there.
up there.
Just push. Is there a bird in there? Oh yeah. 2 small ones. Little by little, you can do it.
And batteries now. What's the battery like?
Still full?
Look, 20 miles. Jungle. Oh, there they come! Oh, there they come!
You're so quick. They get so fast.
Oh, there, we made it. Edwards, I want to go see
No?
those trees.
What?
They're like massive. They're
Where?
I think BC
Oh,
or
really?
Arizona, wherever the state. Yellowstone National, some national park.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, so kaya papainumin ko si Mochi eh.
Quintas na. Yeah, so. 14K na pintas. Is it real? Yeah.
No, painumin ko si Mochi na tubig. Maglalasang sanitizer.
Ako na lang mag-aano sa kanya ng tubig.
Okay.
No, she has one. She just.
Oh, where's your cup?
You left at home. Okay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, big Thursday. Thursday.
Malapit ba tayo?
I think she's done.
Balik pa tayo.
Oo nga, pag ano.
Wow, big doggy. Morning.
Good morning.
Big doggy, ah. Big.
I told you that I farted.
You're farting?
Farted? It smells good.
Him high, but if I told you that I farted.
The wagon, no baby?
Meron nga sa dollar store
Next week if we're not camping, we're just gonna hang out over there by the water.
Yeah, stay here all day.
Yeah. Like those ladies?
Yeah.
That area? Maybe we can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. No, because it was close to that tree.
Sad. Ganun, yung ganito lang. Ganun lang. Hindi makapa ko ng ganito. Maganda dito sa ganun.
Get out? Does Ev want to get out? Does Ev want to get out?
Yung tindahan.
Oh,
gusto lang ata. Oh, go, Mo! Para mga wholesale. Baby, that cap.
This is already 12 noon. And some of them are already parked outside there. So 23 degrees. Hope you enjoy our video for today. Today is Tuesday, it's Canada Day. See you again next in our video.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hit like and subscribe. Bye.
Banana? You lie! Sinungaling!
When she went downstairs, she was like, "Oh, you cook spring rolls." I was like, "Yeah." So she took rice and then
Chironi, your favorite.
Thanks, Nate. Sit down, eat now. Di ba mukhang turon? Ay, Shanghai.
Here.
Ikaw? Nakaswami mo? Talaga?
Yeah, pag may gusto maligo mamaya, pwede kayo maligo dyan. Eh.
Tatlo.
Oh, bakit hindi? Abo, why not?
Swimming? Ay, you want to jump in?
Sa Pinas. Sa Pinas. Oh. Tama na mag-vlog. Kasi nag-ano na tayo papunta doon, di ba?
Okay.
Okay guys, later naman.
Later. Later. Okay, later na lang. Hatid ka na?
No.
Kala ko hatid ka na eh.
No.
See you guys. Next time. July, meron kaming camping ng July. So panoorin yung July naming camping. Tapos hindi pa pala namin na-upload yung aming last travel sa Europe. Europe, di ba? Hintayin nyo kasi medyo pending. Medyo na-busy kasi ako eh. Alam mo na, na-busy. Pero i-upload ko yun before end of July. Pero ngayon, uwi muna tayo kasi pagod na eh. Kaya na pa kami nandito mga 11. It's fun, yeah.
Nature.
I love it, nature. Enjoy kami.
Yes.
Enjoy ka ba?
Oh, ayoko pa nga umuwi kaya lang
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga eh. Uwi na sila eh kasi pagod na daw eh. Pero pag ano, sa susunod, yun, mag-enjoy ulit kami kasi meron pa kaming camping. Meron kaming isa, dalawa, tatlo. May tatlo pa kaming camping this year. Apat? Oh wow, apat. Okay. Alright, sabi namin, see you. Bye. Thanks for your watching this video. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye.
Hello mga katets! Hello mga katets! Bye mga katets!
Bye.
Love, love, love.
Bye. See ya.